let's discuss what is ideal finance model. Many people think that ideal finance model looks like this matrix about forecast, about actual. Many people think that it should be with plenty of graphs, charts, and those people are right. So basically, finance model should be understandable, not only by finances, but by each employee that needs to make decision based on the numbers. Of course, the finance model isn't universal, and CEO or founder of the company, he needs to look on many metrics, cash flow metrics, in order to be sure that we will not have any cash gaps in the future, that we are going to the right direction. For example, if you are CMO, you need to look on your return on marketing activities, on your increase of sales, etc. So it depends on your role in the company, and if you are a finance guy, you are looking at all the numbers. So it is not enough just to look at the chart and make some assumptions or some decisions. But if you are a finance guy, you are looking on all the numbers. It is not enough to look on some graphs and make decision based on it. You need to go deeper. You need to go to all the statements, to all the numbers. You need to be sure that you're going to the right direction. You need to look not only on high-level picture, but you need to go deeper as well. And good finance statements consist of three parts: P&L, cash flow, and balance sheet. Let's start with P&L. P&L show the health of your business model. It shows either your idea, your business is profitable, should you scale this business, what should you change in order to increase profitability of the business and your business model health. The rule is very simple. Your revenue should always be higher than your self-cost or cost of goods sold, as finances call this metric. Your EBITDA also should be positive, but it is not so crucial. For example, Facebook, Uber, and many other companies from S&P 500, they have negative EBITDA. It doesn't mean that those companies are bad. It means that they are investing in growth. But still, if we are speaking about gross profit, it should be positive always. It's very harmful for your business, basic for your time. It is senseless to scale business with negative gross profit. Of course, there are some exceptions in this rule. In 99.9%, it is really bad idea to scale business with negative gross profit. However, it is not enough just to consider P&L, because based on P&L, you can say, yes, my business model looks good and everything is good, but P&L doesn't take into account the factor of time. For example, as cash flow does. Let's assume you have business and you are selling clothes. And in order to sell some shirts, you need to buy it, you need to pay for logistics, then you need to pay for marketing to find clients, and then you can sell it. It means that you freeze like significant amount of money on several months. And during those months, you need to pay salaries, you need to pay rental costs, you need to pay for debt, interest rate, etc. And based on P&L, you will not see how much money should you spend between you have paid to your suppliers and you have received money from your clients. But in cash flow, you will. In cash flow, you can see, do you have this amount of money or not? Or should you maybe take a loan, or I don't know, to take money from your clients, like make some decisions. You can see it only in cash flow. So that's why it is really crucial to consider the cash flow as well. If P&L shows the health of business model, cash flow shows the health of your business itself. And you can be very successful in P&L, but you can go bankrupt by your cash flow. And last but not least is balance sheet. Balance sheet shows not only kind of as a combination of P&L and cash flow. Balance sheet shows also structure of your capital. Do you have any debts? If you have, so how good are you using it? Also, it shows your all assets. If you are working in retail, it shows your stock. If you are working in SaaS product, it shows the intangible asset capitalization, etc. So you need to consider it as well, especially if you are going to exit from your business and you have this target. So balance sheet shows the main metrics to assess your way to your target. And those statements, they show not only the historical data, but it shows only the forecast. You need to see how you performed and how you will perform with your current strategy. And good business model is flexible. It means that you can really fast, really quick, change some assumption. Let's say you have not 100 users, but 300 users, and you can look at the numbers, how it changed. Kind of the best finance model could be used in this way. You are sitting as finance guy with shareholders, and shareholders, they have some bright idea, they will change something in their business, they will close some direction, and you can in second change some assumption, and you can see, okay, it's positive for our business model or not. Of course, after the meeting, you need to go deeper, you need to maybe take more assumption, take more different factors, but you need to be sure that you can quickly at least understand the direction of idea. In John Galt Finance, we have prepared this business model. We think that this is very good, very useful and easy to use. So, and we are sharing it with you for free, so you can download it by link in the description. Business model is appropriate for as existing business. It could be e-commerce or SaaS. It is very adaptive. Or it could be used for new idea. If you want to assess your future business, you can use this model as well. So feel free to use it and ask any questions if you will have. We have prepared a financial model template for you that you can download on our webpage absolutely for free. Also, if you will have any questions about your business, you can book also free demo call with our fractional CFO, and he will consider your business and will help you to find opportunities to grow. Also, we will keep posting videos about business reviews, about any insights, how you can improve your financial planning. So please subscribe on our YouTube channel and we will inform you how to grow.